Lego has a variety of settings that configure how recorded data is saved to your computer. The recording settings are available via the gear icon in the top bar. The most basic settings are the location and the base recording file name. Clicking on the data recording location will open a file picker to allow you to choose which folder the recorded files go into. The default is user_home/radix/data. The base recording file name is the prefix that all the files for the current session will have. Hit the Save button to apply the setting. Now, when making a recording, I will see the files appear in the desired folder. There are 3 files per continuous data recording. _data.xstat, which contains the full continuous data, _timestamp.xstat, which contains the timestamps of each sample, and .xstat.json, which contains the metadata. The next setting is include auto timestamp in the file name. To create shorter file names without the timestamp string, it can be disabled. Lego will automatically increment a file index number to prevent duplicate file names. The next setting is record data from each port into a separate file. This enables us to do what's also called split ports recording mode. This is useful, for example, if each port of our acquisition system is connected to a different probe in a different animal, and we thus want to consider each port's data as a separate session. There is a warning about port-associated digital in and out channels. We can see what this refers to in the System tab. To allow closed-loop recording setups, Lego can automatically map certain digital channels to ports for purposes of signaling the system recording state. Similar mapping is used for the digital ins to trigger recording to start on a given port. Any digital channels that aren't associated with a specific port as above will be included in all recording files. Each split port recording has the port name as a suffix to the base file name. The next setting is recording file starts at timestamp 0 regardless of streaming time. When streaming data from an acquisition system, timestamps are automatically generated from the start of the stream, with the first sample acquired in the stream having timestamp 0. When this setting is checked, Lego will change the frame of reference in the dataset so that the first timestamp recorded has a value of 0, regardless of how long data has been streaming when the recording started. Finally, we have the recording type setting. This controls whether Lego records continuous data, spikes data, or both. When set to record spikes, it will turn spike sorting on automatically when we start recording. Spikes recording mode also produces the _s0.spikes file, which contains the spike waveforms, and the _s0.spikes.json file, which contains the spike sorter metadata. All the recording settings can be used in any combination with each other. We hope this helps you meet your experimental needs.